ideas. We have learned about the quadrilaterals. Next we will be reading about the circles, is it? Now, all of us we know, in a circle, the point from where we construct the circle is known as center. This is known as center. Now, a part of circumference denoted with 3 point is known as arc. An arc, it is called an arc. Maybe A, B, C is an arc. Okay. Now, a line from center to the point on circumference is known as radius. Is it? A line from circumference to circumference through the center. You can see I have constructed a line through the center. This is known as diameter. Now, so much now I should draw. Any other line from circumference to circumference, this is known as chord. Now you will ask, ma'am, diameter is also moving to circumference. Does diameter is a chord? Yes dear, diameter is the chord of a circle. This is diameter also, is it? AB. AB is a diameter also. Is a diameter only, and it is a longest chord of a circle. Diameter is the longest chord of the circle. So diameter is also a chord, and that is the longest chord. More than diameter, none of the chord can be. It is the longest chord of a circle, and this diameter divides the circle into two halves. This is known as, this part under the half part is known as semicircle. It may be up also, and this is also, this is semicircle, is it? This is a part of a circle. Then two radius. If intersecting at 90 degree, they are quarter of a circle. This is called quadrant of a circle. 1/4 of circle is known as quadrant of circle. So these are the different parts you should know about the circle. Now what you can see, the common thing, radius is half. One side center to circumference is known as, but circumference to circumference through radius, through center, this is diameter. So what we see, diameter is equal to 2 into radius. So radius is equal to diameter divided by 2. So radius is equal to diameter divided by 2. This much we have to find, is it? So as I have told you, diameter is equal to 2 into radius. So radius would be diameter divided by 2. So this is the thing we have to know about the circles, is it? Only that much it is enough for you. Now come to the exercise. That is exercise 11. If the radius is 4.5 centimeter, diameter is, work exercise 11. I am writing only the answers. 4.5 into 2 centimeter, that is 9 centimeter is a diameter. Okay, when the diameter is 10.8, radius is, this is 1A, B, it is 10.8, is it? We'll divide by 2, so that is 5.4 centimeter. We'll write, half of the circle is called semicircle. Write in the copy. A quarter of a circle is called quadrant. Just only I have told you. The diameter is the longest chord. The distance between center and a point on circle is called radius. The distance around the circle is known as circumference. We name an arc by 3 points. When we take a complete circular turn, we have to turn 360 degree, because this is a point, all around us 360 degree. Right turns mean the turn of 90 degree. Okay. So you will finish work exercise 11 in the copy. Tomorrow we'll discuss on work exercise 12. Okay dear? Till then you keep practicing. Thank you dears.